there are places that hold a town's memory. Buildings that have stood at the center of everything long enough to become part of the story itself. Buildings that the locals know by name. On one of the most charming streets in all of California, some addresses withstand the test of time. Open for business since 1877, this is one of those places. Mendocino Village, a National Register historic district, 3 million visitors a year, and a coastline that has no equal on the California coast. Step inside, and the building delivers on every promise its curb appeal makes. Roughly 4,000 square feet across 4 suites, the ground floor is pure Main Street presence. Hardwood floors underfoot, vaulted ceilings above, large picture windows framing the headlands and the Pacific beyond. For more than a decade, this space was home to the Highlight Gallery, one of the most celebrated fine craft galleries on the Northern California coast. For the next owner, the work is already done. A comprehensive rebuild in 2012 brought every system up to modern standard. A turnkey canvas for whatever vision comes next. Upstairs is where this property becomes something truly rare. The front suite, with conditional approval for residential use, looks out over Main Street and straight across the Mendocino Bay. The same view that has made Mendocino one of the most painted, most photographed, most sought-after addresses on the West Coast. The rear upstairs suite opens into something unexpected, a generous open room beneath an exposed truss ceiling with its own private bath, a yoga studio, a creative studio, a private office above it all. The space decides nothing and invites everything. The Golden Goose is an iconic landmark of Mendocino, ready for its next chapter, as a flagship commercial presence, a mixed-use investment, or something this coast has never quite seen. Contact Kelly or Banny for a private tour.